So first, let's move to our cart controller. So here we need to add the function so we can update our cart items quantity. So let's copy and paste here. So here let's change name to update cart items quantity. Let's remove this. So here let's change it to update cart. So we receive the request. First we find the products using the ID like we have done when we add. And next we need to get also the quantity. Okay, so here get new quantity. And new quantity we can get it using the request. So let's define here a variable and use the request quantity. So now we have the quantity. Next we need to check if the product is already inside our cart. So if yes, we will update. So let's remove, or let's keep the else, just remove the message from here. So what we need to do, so we need to update the quantity once we have the product. So here let's get the product using the key, which is the ID, and we access the quantity and we give it new quantity. Okay, and once done, what we need to do, we need to do the same thing like we have done here. So let's remove the else. So we need to set the session to new cards because we have updated the cards quantity, and we need also to calculate the total because we have updated. And let's move the return redirects outside of of the if or the test. So here we can tell the user that the cart updated successfully, or let's make it product updated successfully. Okay, so now we have the function. So next what we need to do, we need so we need to add the route, and the route let's make it put. So since we are updating, change it to update cart, and here also to update cart, and here also to cart dot update. Okay, so now we need to move to our cart view. So here we need where is it? So here, not here but here. So here we have the input that has the quantity. So we need to add a button. So when the user clicks on this button, which is update, so we will update the quantity of this product. Okay, so let's first do something. So first we need where is, so we have here a form or not? So we don't have here a form. Okay, let's copy the form from here. We have here a form, or let's copy everything from here and paste it here. Okay, and now we can move. So let's move the input inside the form. So let's paste it here. So we need the same thing. So we need the product ID because here we are getting the products using the products ID. So we need to provide the products ID, and also we need the quantity. So here I have removed name, so we need name. Okay, which is the quantity. So sorry. So we need name here because we are getting the quantity using the request. So I have removed name. So sorry for this. So let's use name. And here we don't have a product, so we can get, let's move the value down. So here we don't have a product, so we can use the item ID. Okay, because we have the product's ID. So let's move to our cart controller. So here when we add the product to the cart, so we have the ID. Okay, so now we can use it here. And here we need to change the method to put because the route is updating, and here let's change the route to update. And what else? Let's change it here from primary to warning, and here let's add the update, and we can use, if you want to use an icon, we can use the pencil. To save, let's refresh the page and see. So we have updates, and here we have updates, and here we have updates. Okay, let's do something. I think we don't need that icon, so it's better to use it without the icons. To save, let's refresh the page. So we have updates, and we have here input field. So let's do something. Let's add a class to this form and give it the flex, and let's use gap of 2 to add space between the two elements, which are the input field and the button. So I think now it's better. Okay, so let's change it here to 3. So update. So as you can see, it has changed. Okay, let's make it here. So let's use something, for example, this one. So let's use 3 and update. So it's 42, as you can see here. Let's here make it only 1 again. So as you can see now, it's 79, 21, 59, and here we have 42. Okay. So now we have changed or updated the quantity. So we need next to add the removed. We need here a button, and once so the same thing as we have done here. So we need a button, and once the user clicks on the button, so we need to remove chosen item from our cart. Okay, so let's do that now.